All right, here is a universal remote control from SofaBaton. This is the U2, a really sleek looking remote control, and you can see it's got all of the buttons, everything you need in a remote control, especially a universal one when you want to control a bunch of different items. It could be a TV, it could be your Apple TV, it could be a stereo system, and you can connect it to the app to control even more so. It does take two AA batteries, and it comes with those batteries, which is always a nice touch. So when you connect it to the app, you're going to connect your remote to it. So if you're using an IR remote, you'll just face it to that other remote, and it will actually pick that up, and you can use it right away. So if we want to, hit power here, we can navigate around. We can select if we want to. You can mute. You can return. You have the volume as well, different channels that you can go through, home button, and a scroll wheel, or if you want to change to different devices, you can do it that way. Really, really cool and sleek. It's a good design. You got all of the buttons that you need to even play and pause. If you're, using a stereo system, like I said, or watching movies, you could use all of these. Set this thing up to your TV and all of your devices. That way you just have the one remote control and not a million of them. So really nice, fits great in your hand, quality made. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.